let's make this as easy on ourselves as we can. So let's move that sticker that way and move this whole thing. Okay, that's good. And then go up. And actually, let's come around a little bit. Okay, and that sticker, no, you don't need to lift it. That sticker right there will have to come up. Go ahead and bump it up against there, just, you know, not hard, but
just not.
yeah, I think we can, yeah, try that. Yeah.
Unless it's kilted that way, we can try and swing it to the...
Very well could be. It is, in fact.
Yeah, you can see it from here.
Yep. Okay. I believe we're still tight. And I see a shade of the line. Pull it out a little bit more at the back, at the bottom. All right. Let's see what happens. Is it going on or is it denting? It's just pretty tight there. It's pretty tight. Doesn't mean, could mean, this could mean that the floor's funky. All right, let's just do this. Okay.
Should I put this in?
Yeah. Yeah, if you can use this.
A little more.
Okay.
A little more.
See what happens.
Oh.
Something appears to be stopping.